In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring tasks in Wrike. We're going to walk through this step by step so that by the end, you'll have a task that automatically repeats on the schedule you choose without you needing to recreate it every time. First, open your Wrike Workspace and navigate to the space or folder where you want your recurring task to live. This might be a project folder, a team space, or any area where you usually manage your work. Make sure you're in the table or list view so you can clearly see your items. Next, click on the item or task that you want to turn into a recurring task. If you're creating something new, you can add a task first, give it a clear name, and then open it. Once the task panel is open on the right side, you'll see its name at the top. If needed, click on the name field to adjust or highlight the task title so it's descriptive and easy to recognize when new instances are created. Inside the task panel, look for the option related to recurrence. This is usually available under a menu or as a specific button labeled for recurring tasks. Click on that recurring task option to start configuring the schedule. A recurrence dialog or pop-up will appear. Here, click into the highlighted area that controls how often the task will repeat. You'll see options like daily, weekly, or other intervals. For this example, choose daily. If you see daily listed more than once, make sure you select the one that applies to the main recurrence frequency. Now you can fine-tune the details. Click the field that controls how many times or on which days the task repeats. For instance, you might select something like every 10 days, or adjust a value to 10 if that's shown as an option. Then, if there's another field for the number of occurrences or an end condition, click that highlighted area and change it to 5, so the task repeats 5 times before stopping. These numbers are just an example of how to use the controls. The important thing is understanding that one field manages the interval and another manages how long the series continues. Review any additional highlighted settings, such as start date, end date, or time, and make sure they match how you actually want the task to recur. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your task is now set as a recurring task in Wrike, and new instances will be created automatically based on the schedule you just configured.